Want to lose belly fat without changing your entire diet? What you drink first thing in the morning can trigger fat burning or fat storage. In this video, we reveal 7 powerful drinks that wake up your metabolism and help you burn fat all day. 5 is used by models and athletes, and it's 100% natural. Start simple. Warm lemon water hydrates your system, flushes toxins, and stimulates your liver, your body's main fat-burning organ. Drink it within 10 minutes of waking up. Green tea contains catechins, powerful antioxidants that boost metabolism and increase fat oxidation. Studies show it helps reduce belly fat when paired with light movement. Drink it 30 minutes after breakfast for best results. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. It balances blood sugar, reduces cravings, and supports digestion. Key to burning stubborn belly fat. Add a dash of cinnamon for bonus metabolism support. Caffeine stimulates thermogenesis, your body's fat-burning furnace. Black coffee with no sugar or cream can boost metabolism by up to 11%. Don't overdo it, 1 to 2 cups max before noon. Ginger tea reduces inflammation, supports digestion, and promotes thermogenic fat burning. It also curbs appetite naturally. Steep fresh ginger in hot water for 10 minutes. Drink before breakfast. Hydration is key to metabolism. Cucumber and mint calm digestion, reduce bloating, and help your body process fat more efficiently. Sip this throughout the morning for steady results. Starting your day with protein is crucial to turn off cravings and activate your metabolism. A quick protein shake with no added sugar keeps you full and helps your body burn fat for fuel. Want even faster results? Try drinking one of these drinks every morning for the next 7 days. Pair it with light morning movement, and your belly fat will finally start to melt. Tell us in the comments, which drink will you try first? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us tomorrow for another video, right here on Prime Fit Flow.